So today we're in Barton Under Needwood, which is an absolute cracking village, loads on offer, a coffee shop, a wine bar, plenty to do, and also home to the fantastic Barton Marina. Behind me we've got a beautiful 4-bed detached family home that's been extended by the current owners to create the perfect space for entertaining guests or spending time with family. Come take a look inside. So in terms of family living, it doesn't really get much better than this. This property has 3 reception rooms. It's got this beautiful living room here. There's another reception room behind you, which is currently being used as a playroom. And lastly, because the current owners have extended the back, it's created the perfect space for an open plan kitchen diner. So as mentioned, the current owners have extended on the rear of this property. Now this room really does epitomise open plan living. Also the room is flooded with natural light because the bifold doors at the rear. And what's better, it wraps around into the kitchen, so it really is the perfect room for a family. That was 15 Salt Drive. If you'd like any more information or to book a personal viewing, please contact me on the details that follow. I'm Henry from the Avenue Estate Agents. I'll see you at the viewings.